Welcome to PFTV. We just witnessed the Orlando Pirates through to Skukune. Mr. Mlambo, thoughts on the game?
Yeah, Ndanga, hey, Mapagania, we wanted a win, but like first thing first, what I'd like to say, credit to Skukun. Their game plan was to defend, Ndanga. Like they didn't want to score, they didn't want anything, they wanted to score. But how I saw the game, we started well, Ndanga. First half, we were playing so well. Spisi could have scored 2 goals.
Yeah.
It didn't score. Ndanga, we must be brutal. This is the second round of the season, you understand? For us to win games, we want to win smart. People know about Orlando Pirates, going back to Bafana Bafana. People knew about Bafana Bafana, AFCON. Now, second round of the season, people know about Orlando Pirates. Trust me, each and every team when they play against Orlando Pirates, bazozimisela. And you know when it's like that, each and every game is going to be difficult. Skukune, kunzima ukuthi sibahle. We've played so well first half Ndanga, we're playing so well. Sibisi score my man. Score sekhoneni ngiyangithola maka ngeke si play mubhodlela kuphela. I think first half was so good. Second half was not bad Ndanga, but we are not creating. Yeah, we are not creating.
And then, Mr. Mlambo. So, what do you think was the problem today? Like you say, you created a lot of chances. Do you think maybe Skomota, maybe because now it's the one who's supposed to be at the end of these chances, maybe we needed to introduce the Mutuma a bit earlier? What do you think was the problem according to you?
Okay, my thing was, first off, there was no problem. We should have scored, because we got chances. My problem was second half. Tito is playing so well, Ndanga. Tito is starting the ball, Tito is running, Tito is covering a lot of kilometers. You're making subs, Mfethu. Leave Tito there. Muremi started well, you understand, but when the game went on, he was not playing so well. Mtonzo Muremi is not at the end of the world, uzodlala kahle next time. Fakurile no Apoliti, it was good time ukubafaka. But mina, I don't think second half, seeing ukuthi game lihamba kanje, we needed a strike for me. Or if you were saying, uyamia kumremi, mongamdonsa uSkomota, ufaka police, ufaka uReli. So you know a police uzongena la ku number 10 no Tito. Then you know you have Muremi, you have uReli on the sides. Yangithola or a police adlale false number 9. Cause Ntanga going phambili, noma scrosser, nothing was happening. Butuma came in. Nothing happened. Caruso megamlokile. Why? We congested in the middle of the park. So for us to score magenzakala kanjalo, we must find spaces, we must play the ball more. At least Masayopedi game we've tried to do that, but we didn't wanted to have like mekungamele sibe ne striker mina second half because we saw ukuthi akukoreki nda. Yeah, that's my thing.
And then Sibilibili as well in Danga. Can you talk about Sibilibili? Because when the team sheet came on, you know, I mean, he plays Kukune. I think they are number 3 or number 4 at the time. You know, I think the coach should have taken the game a bit more serious. You know, in terms of you know the quality that he left on the bench. You know, Sibilibili is not like our number 1 right winger. It's either it's Relay or it's a police that side. Do you think maybe a coach took this game light a bit in a sense that he didn't bring his best players forward?
For me, I'll say this again, Mapagania. Coach JP is frustrated, but the formula yakhe ihlala isebenza. That's me. So now I don't question izinto akazenzayo most of the times because I think ukuthi nalabo bafana labo usebenze nabo egroundini is having a plan ukuthi izowina kanjani. But I think Ntanga I wanted to see uReli aqala mfethu. The boy Ntanga is coming from injury before siya ku second round. Mesekadlala grand for iPirates, you understand? Fakurile Ntanga each and every game. Kokomelen is going to do izinto for wena. Tito Maswangani must always be there. For me, even if Tito is not playing so well, keep Tito there Ntanga. Tito Ntanga is the angazi yini ku Pirates. Yangithola ilento le ithikisi Pirates amlenze. Blue. That's Tito. That's what we must do mfethu. Ungazama ukuyenza introduction yaka Mariko. For me it was unnecessary. Mariko, I don't say Mariko is not a good player, but not for that game. For that game he needed creativity. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi Mbuthuma for me was not necessary for me. Was not necessary for that game because Mbuthuma mekangeka wathola amabhola. No matter that's why Ukado samlokile. We were supposed to be creative lapha in the middle of the park. Yeah.
And then, but it's not only, what do you make of that substitution, because it wasn't only.
It was frustrating. Why put Hoto there? Ndaba is playing so well, angisho. That's why angisho ngithi umrema umkhiphanga. Miyekela adlale.
Yeah.
Uyaforced amyekele but ungafaki uHoto there, you have Ndaba, you have Hoto, it's unnecessary ntanga.
Yeah.
But that's why I'll say again, credit to Isikhukhune ntanga. Isikhukhune did their job so well, but I think we could have done our job better. Ngokuthi ucoach JP ayenza izinto ezi-right mfethu. We have to win the league.
Yeah. And then who was your stand-up performer tonight? Or
So
today?
masikhuluma nge-stand-up performance siyibheka in the perspective
Pirates,
ye-Pirates
yeah,
or
Pirates.
overall?
No, Pirates.
Okay, because ugoalkeeper Isikhukhune naye was frustrating for me ntanga, because he
Yeah.
played so well. Okay, noSibisi ngamkhalela but usave amabhola like crucial, I understand. And I think Mapagania, our police should have got a penalty there.
Yeah,
That's a penalty, man. Rev call,
Poor-
man,
poor-
ungasani.
poor refereeing,
You
yeah.
understand? I'm not saying causing favor Pirates, but that's a penalty.
Yeah.
Komba in them loten, it's win 1-0. You understand? But I don't think everything is lost. In fact, we can still come back. But my man of the match today, I think between Tito and Bat. I think those guys play so well, especially Umbat and Tanga. Umbat managed the game, yabona, like ball rotation yake. It was so well. I think it was unfortunate to go to Limele, if I'm not mistaken. But I think udlale kahle kakhulu. Oh, Nesapi yakhe akalimelanga. Nesapi
I don't think
yakhe,
ulimele.
I didn't see it coming. Keep them there, mfethu.
Yeah.
Keep them there.
All right. Yeah, thanks, Mr. Mlambo. There you have it, Mapagania. That's Mr. Mlambo.
Bopa.
Opa, Mr. Mlambo.
Bopa.
That's a bopa.